Hello guys. Maghawa sa ta. Wow, maghawa ta pao.
Some pretty flowers will never bloom. It was too cold and they died too soon. I heard them cry, you heard them too. The sun was hiding behind the moon. It might be dark, but I see your light.
Ito naman tayo sa ano. Talagang
dream last night and I saw you again. You were smiling and
yan,
when I
ito
woke
pala
up,
yung dati kong ano.
I wish it could last longer.
May video akong nag-time nito, in-upload. Ito na sila ngayon.
Scary one right now.
Ayan.
I wanna see you. I wanna see you.
Ayan sila. Lumago na sila. Yan. Yan. Huli yan. Mga huli na yan. So, huli na to. Ano hangkot? Huwag nito. Paumbukin ko yung ano nila. Inaano ng mga manok eh. Ayan o. Ayan, pagtitripa nila yan. Mamaya, anuhin na naman yan. So, mga pasaway na manok.
Dream last night and I saw you again. You were smiling and when I woke up I thought I wish it could last longer. Life seems like a dream, but a scary one right now. I wanna see you. I wanna see you.
Dito na lang guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.